What's up, traders? Just looking at the ADA chart today, and I mean, we're up almost 7% at the time of recording. Extremely bullish, um, especially if you consider what's happened with Bitcoin. I mean, it's only down less than 1%, and I do suspect that, I mean, we're only midday right now, so I do suspect late in the day this candle could turn green, and we're having three green candles is really extremely bullish, and it's a good sign for the upside. And it would help a lot of the other altcoins sort of gain some momentum. But despite that, ADA is just performing really well today, um, which leads me on to thinking that I will be taking some profits relatively soon. And the reason why I say that is you can see previously the 20 EMA has pushed down the price of ADA. Um, you can see here it's been pushed down, and we're sort of approaching it again, and I do suspect that we might not be able to sort of break past it and use it. I mean, if we can break past it and use support, brilliant. But what I do suspect will happen, and it does really depend on Bitcoin as well, on what Bitcoin does in the next couple of days. But I can see sort of rejection at this EMA. I mean, you can see it on the RSI as well. Previous trends we've had, so like right here, we sort of hit this line on the RSI, come back down. Um, had another impulsive move, sort of come back down, and I mean this impulsive move here, we sort of had to the upside. Didn't quite meet the RSI, but it's just what I'm thinking at the moment. Is sort of what, as we sort of grow closer towards this region and sort of get closer towards the EMA, I will be taking profits just so that I can sort of reinvest it back at a lower price, where we hit some level of support. Just bring out the fibs and see what a good entry price would be. So sort of like from here, maybe swing high to the latest swing low. Bring it out a little bit. About from here. Well, you can see this green candle almost perfectly fits in this Fibonacci level. And also sort of come up to some low resistance here as well. So I think this might be the field to follow. But yeah, I think, and if we do sort of get rejected, let's say around about here at the $1.41, because by that time the EMA, I think the EMA would have sort of caught up to this level. I think it might be a good idea to put some bids around this level here or this level here, but it just completely depends on Bitcoin and what's going on with that. But again, it looks positive. The fact that Bitcoin's, I mean, sort of down at the moment, there's nothing to be worried about. But it is showing some really good strength, especially compared to some of the other alts I'm sort of following. It seems to be performing the best. So yeah, safe trading, guys.